Hey, what's up everyone? Bearded Clark from Predator Gaming here, and today I want to show you one of our newest machines from our thin focus Triton family, the Triton 500. Like the 700 before it, the 500 is all metal and has a Z height of 17.9 millimeters and weighs in at around 2.1 kilograms, making it the ideal go here, go there, play anywhere machine. And if you do travel, chances are you have plenty of peripherals in tow. But with the 500, you have plenty of ports. 3 USB 3.1, a USB-C Thunderbolt 3, HDMI 2.0, and mini DisplayPort. But enough about that. Let's talk about the design. Both the Tritons, the 500 and the 700, boast a 15.6-inch display. But the 500 has a smaller chassis, making it even easier to carry around. So you have a smaller body, but you also have more viewable screen due to the 500's narrow frame design. Results in an 81% screen-to-body ratio on a bright 308 IPS display. So while IPS means stronger colors, it's the tech driving the display that really makes it shine. It supports up to a 144 Hz refresh rate, 3 millisecond overdrive response time, and Nvidia G-Sync. These three technologies are really important because while gaming, they keep your playing tear-free and seamless. And at full HD resolution, hitting those high frames is easy thanks to what's hidden away inside. So, what have we hidden away in the aluminum frame? We have a 6-core, 8th gen Intel Core i7-8750H processor, overclockable GeForce RTX 2080 with Max-Q design, 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM at 2066 MHz, and 2 M.2 NVMe PCIe SSDs in RAID 0. With 1 terabyte options available, this is seriously a lot of power in a small chassis, which is why, when it comes to thermals, only the best would do. Like all Predator laptops, the Triton 500 uses our custom AeroBlade 3D fan technology, the latest of which was inspired by Silent Owl flight mechanics. The newest generation provides superior cooling over previous gens while reducing overall noise. Add in the 3-fan cooling system and 5 copper heat pipes and you have a system designed to maintain a constant chill. Okay, now let's talk about the keyboard. The Predator Triton 500 is the first of our laptops to feature our own Predator typeface. Has see-through concave-shaped keycaps for WASD, in case you lose track of them during an intense match, and features 2 other keys you'll want to take note of: Turbo and Predator Sense. Tap Turbo for instant overclocking, or load up Predator Sense. Within the utility app, you can access overclocking, overdrive settings, RGB lighting profiles, and more. If you want to see some videos about our latest AeroBlade tech, you can check the links in the description below. That said, thanks for watching, and from all of us here at Predator, good game.